So, it is very important to have it moisturized. Let me put y'all on. I am so excited to share this with you guys. Nobody likes shrinkage. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shea. Welcome. If not, thank you for tuning back in. I appreciate you. I'll be showing you how I make my DIY moisturizing spritz, which you have probably seen in my previous videos if you have watched them. If not, why? As a naturalista, we know that there are two very important forms of moisture, water and leave-in conditioners. We absolutely love the moisture that our thick leave-in conditioners give, but we can't go throughout the day slathering conditioner on our hair. And we also know that water is the best form of moisture. However, nobody likes shrinkage. I decided to create something in the middle that will do both. It's a nice medium between that moisturizing conditioner and that hold that we love, as well as the ease of application of simply spraying water on your hair. So I combined them. You will need a measuring cup, a whisk or fork, a small spray bottle, preferably travel size, a ½ tablespoon measuring spoon, and hot water. For conditioner, I will be using the Eden BodyWorks Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner and their Peppermint Tea Tree Hair Milk. Of course, you can substitute with any leave-in conditioner you regularly use. Next, I add avocado oil. This is one of my all-time favorite oils because it is lightweight, meaning you can apply it to your scalp and hair without worrying about buildup, weighing down your hair, or clogging your pores, making it a great oil for most hair types. It is rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fats, allowing it to penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair. It is also quickly absorbed by the skin, making it an excellent solution for the dry and flaky scalp symptoms associated with dandruff and psoriasis. Lastly, it contains vitamin D and E, which provide UV protection and encourages the growth of new hair follicles. I also add a little bit of vegetable glycerin. I mainly use this product for its humectant properties, meaning it can pull moisture from the air into your hair and keep it there. However, you must be cautious of your environment when using this product because it can also do the opposite, meaning it can strip the moisture from your hair and put it back into the air if you are in a drier environment. Also, never ever use this product by itself. Always dilute it in other products. I also use some eucalyptus oil. It's great for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which relieve dry, itchy, and flaky scalp and can treat issues such as head lice. It also stimulates the hair follicles, promoting growth. And lastly, I add aloe vera juice. Y'all, if you do not use aloe regularly, you're missing out, honey. It balances the skin's pH to fight dandruff and other conditions, such as those that may be caused by yeast overgrowth. It also provides a lot of hydration. The leaves of the aloe vera plant hold a ton of water, so this product will easily be able to penetrate the hair shaft, giving it the nutrients it needs. The amino acids in aloe also smooth the hair by helping it close the cuticle, sealing in the moisture. This increases shine and definition while decreasing frizz. First, I add a ½ tablespoon of each of the conditioners. Feel free to use any small measuring spoon that you have. Exact measurements aren't really important with this recipe. The measuring spoons are more so used to control or monitor how much of each product you put into the mixture. Then a half tablespoon of the avocado oil. Next, I add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. A little goes a long way with this product, so if you're not sure how your hair may react to it, I suggest only using a little or not using it at all. Then I mix those products together. Next, I add roughly a half tablespoon of water to begin diluting the mixture. Then I add about a half cup of aloe vera juice, which will serve as the main carrier liquid. Next, I add about 10 drops of the eucalyptus oil. After mixing everything together, I noticed that it was still a bit too thin and watery. I wanted the consistency to be a tad thicker than milk, so I added 3.5 more tablespoons of conditioner, but I still was not getting the consistency I wanted. So instead of using up my good up leave-in conditioner, I used some leftover Cantu leave-in that I needed to finish. So you see this right here? Don't do this. Don't be like me, y'all. Please use a measuring spoon when you add any product to the mixture. I tried eyeballing it and it ended up being too thick, so I had to go back in with the aloe vera juice and hot water to loosen it back up. Like I said prior, the measuring spoon will give you better control over the consistency of the mixture and the amount of product you use in general. So I ended up adding roughly another 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of water and about a 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice. After mixing everything together, this is the consistency. It should run down your hand, kind of like milk, but when you spread it, it should stick. When you're done, pour it into a spray bottle, and you can pour the rest into another bottle and store it in the fridge. So here I'm just showing you the consistency again real quick. As you can see, it can get pretty thick really quickly. This is only 8 pumps of the spray. So a little goes a long way. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, share the knowledge. Send this video to a friend. Please leave a comment down below if you do try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click those notifications so you know when my next video is live. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. God bless.